Choo choo! What's going on, guys? My name is Turbo Johnbo. Today I'm going to show you how to polish your car to protect the paintwork and make sure it's looking super shiny. Let's get on to what you need. So this is what you need. You need some good quality car polish. This is for the colour of my car. As you can see, it's blue. We're going to polish the whole car with this, and you will need 2 microfiber towels. These are actually ones I've used for polishing before, that's why they're not clean, but if you have 2 clean ones, use them. You use one to put it on and one to buff it off. Let's get started. It takes a small layer of clear coat off your paintwork and re-adds colour to protect the paint so it will last longer and weather better. This will keep your car shiny and well protected, and you can tell a polished car because when it rains the water will just slide off. One important thing to note, guys, before you start polishing is that your car must be clean and dry. You do not want your car to be dirty, or what you're going to do is rub all the grit and dirt into the paint and it will look terrible and you will scratch your car all over. So if you're not sure how to clean your car properly, check out my previous video. It gives you a really easy, simple step-by-step guide on how to clean your car properly, and then your car will be ready, clean and dry for polishing. So now that your car's clean and dry, let's get to polishing. Step 1 is to get your microfiber cloth that you're going to use to apply the polish. Add a small amount of polish, and you want to start doing a panel at a time. And if you've not polished before, do it in small sections, even maybe half this bonnet or hood, for example, and just start on small sections. So grab, and you want to start doing even circles like so across the paintwork, overlapping, and what this will do is put the polish into the paintwork. Once it goes a grey whitey hue and it looks like it's drying off, you'll be able to get your other microfiber towel and wipe it off. I'm going to do this section and I'll show you when it's ready to be buffed off. Just an important thing to add, try not to get the polish on things like chrome or silver plastic or your headlights, wing mirrors that are this colour, or glass for that matter, and if you can, avoid getting it on rubber as well. The reason for this is that it doesn't actually help those surfaces, so try and avoid getting it on there. If you do, just rub it off quickly so it's gone. We want this on the paintwork only. This is almost ready to buff off, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab our other microfiber towel, and what you want to do is buff it off the same way as you put it on. So small circles with a moderate pressure and just wipe it off. And the polish should come off really nice and easy. If it doesn't, you've either left it on there too long or you've not left it on there long enough and it's not gone into the paintwork properly yet. Remember, the polish needs time to cut away at the very top thin layer of paint before it can soak in and do its good work to your paint and look after it. Okay, so check this out. I've buffed this part off, and this other side here I haven't yet. You can see the polish just finishing off soaking in, turning grey white, but look how shiny this is. It's not even been waxed yet either, which is the final process, which will be in another video, but the paint is absolutely smooth. There are no dents, marks or bumps on it. Very smooth and super shiny. That's how it should turn out. Well, check that out. Look at the shine. You can see the trees reflecting in the paintwork, and that is how you know that you've polished your car properly. The polish has soaked in, protected it, and made it shine like that. Beautiful. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tackle one panel at a time, this one being next. Move along the car like this, and we're also going to do the roof. So now we're going to start moving down the car, doing one door at a time. Norman's got his Jag out. Okay, where were we? We're going to do one panel at a time and work our way down the car. Make sure that you're leaving the polish on long enough but not too long so it doesn't get difficult to buff off. Let's go. example here of the dried polish. If I move along the door, you can see it there. This is when it's ready to be removed. Let me show you. Gone. And there you go, you've got a really nice, smooth, shiny finish. Let's carry on with the rest of the car. Alright, and with that is all of the car done, except for the very front here, the very back, and finally the last bits to do will be everywhere below this door trim line here on both sides. Leave these bits till last because they are the parts that get the most grit and dirt on them. Even if your car's clean, there could be a tiny bit there, so just as a precautionary measure, if there is something there, we leave these bits till last, just so it's the least visible were anything to happen. Okay, let's get on with the last bit of the car. And alright, this is the result that you get right here from hand polishing your vehicle. It looks amazing, it looks shiny, and it will be protected from all of the bad weather that you'll get through winter. Good idea is to do this process every 3 months, so 4 times a year. Polish or wax, maybe alternate between the two, that's what I like to do. And this is how you're going to be able to keep your car brilliant. Keep your girl always oiled, keep your girl all rubbed up, give her a nice rub and she'll thank you for it. If you do it properly, she'll love it. Choo choo, well that is it. Check out my hands, Smurf in the house. That is it. Thank you very much for watching this how-to video on how to polish your car. I really appreciate you viewing my channel and supporting the video. Give it a like if you learned something, and let me know in the comments how you get on with polishing your own car. And if you're not yet a subscriber and you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Turbo Johnbo. There'll be more videos coming your way. Thank you very much. Choo choo. Until next time, Johnbo out. Keep it boosted.